Miscellaneous hardware tools. So these are bunch of hardware tools which are good to have with microcontrollers so as to increase the efficiency and learning with it. Let's explore them one by one. The first thing is multimeter. Multimeter is an electrical device which is used to measure the various properties of electrical circuits. Essential parameters and properties like voltage, current, resistance, continuity, and these things. It is very basic measuring instrument that is used quite a lot and to debug and check whether circuits are powered on and working properly or not. Second device is logic analyzer. Is an electrical device, two roles to play of capturing and displaying the multiple digital signals from digital devices like microcontrollers. Digital signals like PWM signals, GPIO input output signals, various kind of communication protocols like UART, I2C, SPI, one wire, etc. Logic analyzer can capture all such kind of digital signals and display them in human readable and understandable format by decoding their data packets according to these communication protocols. And to explore more in depth about how to use logic analyzer and what is it, can refer to this playlist. Next tool is CAN analyzer tool. This is also a tool like logic analyzer which is specifically used to capture and display the digital signals of CAN protocol. Apart from just capturing and displaying the various CAN protocol, it can perform various operations over the CAN protocol like troubleshooting, flashing the program via CAN protocol, supporting the high-end protocols of CAN like J1939 and etc. To know in depth about CAN analyzer tools, we also have created a playlist on how to use CAN analyzer tools and various operations with it. Next is USB to UART converters. These are electronic devices which are used to log and capture messages over UART communication protocol from embedded devices like microcontrollers and print those messages on host PC or desktop over a USB connection. It is extensively used for debugging and logging purposes over UART protocol with development boards and development of products using the microcontroller technology. Out of these tools, priority and the recommended tools are multimeters, logic analyzer, and USB to UART converters. These tools are inexpensive to buy compared to other tools, and CAN analyzer tools becomes mandatory when one is working on automotive concentric projects and protocols. And oscilloscopes also are one of the tools which is very widely used in our embedded projects. And that wraps up this video in our microcontroller technology series. If you're ready to take your microcontroller skills to the next level, don't forget to save this playlist of what is microcontroller technology, as in this playlist over time you will find number of videos which will help you learn about these chips in chronological and interactive way by covering modern day industry level concepts, tools and technologies, so as to become a skilled engineer and not just a graduated one. For viewers who wanted to expand their knowledge by hands-on practical learning, check out our Introduction to Microcontroller Technology course 101 built around the industrial grade NXP S32K144 microcontroller. This course dives deep into peripheral of modern day microcontrollers, teaching you real world tools and techniques and no more just theory. Head over to edu.gettobyte.com to learn more and get started. Let's keep learning, innovating and building together, because a skilled engineer standouts, not just a graduated one. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials and series videos. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out our next videos, and explore the next video so as to continue your learning in a chronological way from here, and explore the full series playlist linked right here. Got any questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you.